Welcome to Review Rumble. The best Joby Martin book is probably one of the most sought-after resources for anyone looking to dive deep into the world of effective communication and persuasive speaking, offering a unique blend of practical strategies and insightful analysis that can transform how you connect with your audience and articulate your ideas with clarity and impact. Number 5. Joby GripTight 1GP Universal Phone Holder. Introducing the Joby GripTight 1GP, the universal phone holder designed for ultimate convenience. Its compact and foldable design makes it perfect for on-the-go use. This holder offers a universal fit, accommodating most smartphones, whether they're in a case or not. The stainless steel spring-loaded design ensures a quick and secure grip. Unleash your creativity with its flexible GorillaPod legs. These allow for endless positioning possibilities and unique shooting angles, adapting to any surface. Whether you're watching the FIFA World Cup or capturing life's moments, this tripod provides stability and versatility. Its magnetic base adds even more mounting options. Its patented, compact, and foldable design means it's always ready when inspiration strikes. Take it anywhere and capture stunning photos and videos with ease. Your purchase includes one GripTight 1GP stand in sleek black. Get ready to elevate your mobile photography and videography. What we like. This holder offers a compact and foldable design for ultimate portability. Its universal fit ensures compatibility with most smartphones, even with cases. If you're looking for a convenient and versatile way to mount your phone for casual use or even watching sports, this is a great choice. What people say. Its construction is rugged enough to hold my phone securely in place while maintaining a lightweight profile. The ease of installation and removal of the phone is a breeze, and its universal fit means it can handle various phone sizes without a hitch. The adjustable height and angle features require a slight learning curve but are well worth it. Once locked in, it stays put, providing a stable viewing experience, regardless of the environment. This flexibility has been particularly useful for hands-free calls, watching videos, and even for capturing steady photos or videos. It holds my phone tight and the flexible legs can grip rails or stand upright, even on uneven surfaces. Number 4. Joby GorillaPod Compact Tripod Kit. Get creative with how you position your camera. Its flexible legs can grip, wrap, or stand on almost any surface, giving you ultimate flexibility. This tripod is incredibly versatile. You can mount your mirrorless camera, lights, or other devices weighing up to 2.2 pounds. Take it anywhere. It's compact and lightweight, easily fitting into your pocket, handbag, or backpack for on-go adventures. Shoot with confidence. The rubberized grips on the feet ensure enhanced stability, even on challenging terrain. Built to last. We've rigorously tested materials to ensure it's durable and can withstand the demands of your creative work. What we like. This tripod kit is incredibly versatile, allowing you to secure it to almost any surface with its wrappable legs. It's perfect for mounting mirrorless cameras or other devices up to 2.2 pounds. If you need a portable and stable tripod for creative shots on the go, this is the one. What people say. As you see in the photos, the incredibly weird ways this flexible tripod holds and can be propped and manipulated to hold your video capturing equipment. The floating ball mount is an awesome addition that in itself is worth the price alone. Great ease of use. Great ease of application. Great flexibility. Great simplicity. Great design. Great lightweight device. Number 3. GorillaPod 5K Kit. Grip it, wrap it, or stand it. Its flexible legs let you secure your professional camera equipment to almost any surface, giving you ultimate creative freedom. Featuring an ArcaSwiss-compatible quick-release plate, it stays connected to your camera. This allows for instant setup, so you never miss a shot. Achieve precise 360-degree pans with the numbered scale on its base. A secondary knob allows you to lock the pans separately for perfect framing every time. Expand its capabilities with Joby's pro-level accessories. Mount GoPros, lights, microphones, and more with the GripTight Pro mounts, arms, and hub adapter. Built with anodized aluminum, it provides confident positioning even in challenging terrain. This ensures stability and durability for all your adventures. What we like. This kit offers professional-level features with its ArcaSwiss-compatible quick-release blade for instant setup. The numbered scale allows for accurate 360-degree pans, and it's modular for expanding with other Joby accessories. If you're a serious photographer or videographer looking for precision and expandability, this is your best bet. What people say. The GorillaPod legs stay where I put them with no drooping or sagging. The ball head has its high-quality all-metal parts and the knobs have rubberized grips that make them easy to twist. The base of the tripod head has a numbered 360-degree scale so I can accurately repeat pans and adjust my position. Number 2. GripTight 1 Mount, Black. This mount is designed to fit any smartphone, whether you use a case or not. Its universal design ensures a secure fit for your device. Getting your phone in and out is a breeze. The spring-loaded grip allows for quick, hassle-free access whenever you need it. Its lightweight and portable design makes it easy to carry anywhere. It fits perfectly in your pocket for on-the-go convenience. You can easily attach it to your keychain or camera bag. This versatility ensures it's always ready when you are. Rubber pads provide a secure hold for your phone, keeping it in place at any angle. You can trust it to keep your device safe and stable. What we like. This mount provides universal smartphone compatibility and quick, in and out access to your device. Its lightweight and portable design makes it easy to carry anywhere. If you simply need a reliable and easy-to-use phone holder for everyday use or travel, this is an excellent, no-fuss option. What people say. Simple and lightweight. Holds phone securely. Mounts on small tripod easily. Would be small and lightweight enough to travel with. I definitely appreciate that it folds up flat and thin when you're not using it. This is a really good holder for mobile phones, pair it with a tripod and you have a compact setup. Number 1. Joby GorillaPod Action Video Tripod. Introducing the Joby GorillaPod Action Video Tripod, the ultimate support for your action cameras. It's designed to be strong, flexible, and incredibly lightweight. This easy-to-use tripod is perfect for action cameras like GoPro and Sony, as well as 360 cameras. It ensures you capture every moment, no matter the device. Get ready to shoot in seconds with included quick-release clips for GoPro and standard tripod mounts. Spend less time setting up and more time creating. Achieve the perfect angle with its integrated ball head, offering 90 degrees tilting and 360 degrees panning. You have complete control to frame your shots exactly how you want them. Its flexible, wrappable legs with rubberized grips ensure a secure hold on any surface. This provides the stability you need for clear, steady footage, even in challenging environments. Weighing just 191 grams, it's easy to carry without compromising on performance. This tripod is built to go wherever your adventures take you. What we like. Designed specifically for action video cameras, this tripod offers quick-release clips for easy mounting of GoPros and other action cams. The integrated ball head provides precise control for orienting your camera. If you're an action sports enthusiast or vlogger who needs a stable and flexible mount for your action camera, this is the ideal solution. What people say. The legs are very sturdy and hold their position even after many uses. The ball head is nice for adjustments and the level helps keep your shot level. The rubber on each ball on the leg adds grip no matter how you bend it. It's good for simple flat surfaces, uneven surfaces, and even wrapping around objects. It can bear the weight of a GoPro, mic adapter, case and mic with no problems. It can also hold my Galaxy S9 Plus in the OtterBox Defender case and mic without any problem. I have an entry-level DSLR, a Nikon D3500 and it also supports that, which was a nice surprise. This tripod's strength, flexibility, and lightweight design make it an excellent choice for capturing those adrenaline-filled moments. The flexible legs with rubberized grips allow for secure attachment to various surfaces, ensuring stability even in challenging environments. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.